At the edge of Lagos, where land meets ambition, we made a deliberate choice, not just to expand the city, but to design an economy, one anchored in industry, trade, and long-term value creation. What you see here is not accidental growth. It is planned, governed, and built with intention. In the early 2000s, Lagos faced a defining question. How do you build a future beyond oil, beyond congestion, beyond limits? The answer would take shape in a bold experiment, a special economic zone designed to attract the world and empower a nation.
Lagos has reached an inflection point. Significant growth, yet constrained by insufficient industrial depth, import dependency, and an over-reliance on the informal economy. This led to a vision by a man, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who incidentally is the president of this nation now, 20 years ago. Coincidentally, Governor Babajide Olusola Sanwo-Olu, who was then the commissioner of commerce, was the architect or the one who was given that mandate to run with that vision. And 20 years today, the two primary actors are at the epicenter of what has become the Lekki Economic Zone, which is a major transformer and contributor to the economy of Lagos and Nigeria as a whole. The strategic imperative was clear: to transition towards a productive, export-oriented economic base. Lekki Worldwide Investment Limited was established to provide a structured platform where infrastructure, policy, and private capital could align to drive industrialization at a scale befitting Africa's largest city.
To bring this vision to life, a vehicle was created, Lekki Worldwide Investments Limited, a bridge between government ambition and private sector execution. But vision alone is never enough. Execution requires structure, partnership, and precision. Lekki Worldwide Investments Limited did not build alone. It engineered an ecosystem, bringing together global investors, local expertise, and strategic alliances.
From the onset, it was clear that Lagos' ambitious goals required private sector collaboration. The government alone could not meet the demand for capital, expertise, and rapid execution. Our model is grounded in a clear conviction. Government sets the vision and directs the environment. The private sector contributes capital and efficiency. Lekki Worldwide Investment Limited operates at the intersection of these two spheres, maintaining government oversight for legitimacy while ensuring that ownership never becomes an obstacle to performance. The result is a model where public purpose and private efficiency are mutually reinforcing.
From blueprint to buy-in, the foundation was set. What began as a vision became a movement. Steel, concrete, and capital converging to create something unprecedented.
Key milestones include the successful establishment of multiple industrial zones, the arrival of anchored investors, and the commissioning of critical enabling infrastructure, including the deep sea port, the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road, the 7th Axial Road, the approved Green Line, and the Lekki International Airport. Each of these represent a signal that the model works and that the corridor is delivering on its founding ambition.
16,000 hectares of possibilities transformed into industry, logistics, and enterprise. Infrastructure is the language investors understand.
Managing relationships with investors, government, and host communities is core to our mission and success. We provide investors with certainty and transparency. We stay aligned with government on policy and competitiveness. And with our host communities, we focus on respect, inclusion, and creating jobs. Accountability ties all three relationships, and it is what distinguishes a truly world-class industrial corridor.
The story of Lekki Worldwide Investments Limited is still being written, and the next chapter may be its most defining.
By land, sea, and air, the Lekki Corridor is being built to function as Nigeria's most complete and connected economic platform.
By presenting clarity, not hype, global investors want predictability, governance, and partners that they can trust. And that is the positioning that we lead with.
The Lekki Zone is a proof of concept, a replicable model that Lagos State and Nigeria can deploy across other regions of the country. The frameworks, institutions, partnerships, and lessons learned are being designed with national scalability in mind. What begins in Lekki does not end in Lekki.
From a question to a vision to a living, breathing ecosystem.
The Lekki Economic Zone is a blueprint, not just for Lagos, but for a new African economy.
In the end, this is not just about land or infrastructure or investment. It is about possibility. A blueprint not just for Lagos, but for a new African economy. Lekki Economic Zone, Africa's leading industrial ecosystem.